Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. In this video we will cover how to set in this error. You see this AMD software error. So first of all click on OK and open device manager from this place. So you can see that you have on this dashboard. Click on AMD region. So click on driver. After that you click on rollback driver. So you see that in this you click on for another reason. So you write in this place B double O. So save that and you see this after that click you see that this dashboard after that you click on close. So click on cross. So you click on against AMD software. So please wait some seconds. So you can see that open at so our problem will solved. So you can see that so I hope you will learn how to fix when the update replaced your AMD graphics driver. And that's all for today. See you in the next video.